Alright guys, welcome to the gear room. It is definitely a wreck because we've been putting stuff together in here. But I ordered the Helicon, I can't remember the name of it now. I ordered the camp chair. I'll put the name on the description. But we're going to open it up, a little unboxing. I opened the box, make sure it's the right box. But we'll get it out of the box and we'll see how it is. It's supposed to be 2 pounds, 2.2 pounds, something like that. I have to edit that out of the picture so no one sees my address. There you go. I mean, I have to say it feels way lighter than 2 pounds. I don't have a scale or anything, but like this keyboard is actually heavier than this chair. Let's open it up. Alright, here's your bag. Comes with a lot of different languages. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here's your little diagram. Several different colors. I just got tan because I ordered the One Tigris Backwoods Bungalow and it's only in tan, so I figured why not. So pretty good size. Ow. Alright, I haven't looked at instructions. Let's see if we can just kind of, it should just all pop together. Look at that, it all popped together. Alright, and let's see if we can see how hard it is to get this on. Shouldn't be too hard. It just has little heavy duty pockets in the back. Going camping, hiking, it is definitely nice to have something to sit on, especially if it rains, snows, or anything. Alright, it wasn't that hard to get in. So I'll back up, I'll sit down. I weigh about 220. I think it says it can hold 330 pounds. We'll set it down here. Alright, this is not bad. It feels pretty comfortable. I feel like I can tip back a little bit, but nah, that's not bad. And there you have it. It's not bad at all. Yeah. If it's super cold out and you're going to feel cold, but if you're hiking, you're going to be sweaty. And that is it. And it just kind of goes together. It has like little bungees in there. So you can just, boop, don't even need instructions. Kind of only goes one way. I guess if you put this on backwards, you'd find out because it probably don't fit right. Alright, let's see if we can get back together easy. Or not back together, back apart. Let's see how she comes apart. Alright. This part here I don't know, I guess it was just folded up. I didn't pay attention to that. If you know camping, trying to get your tent back in the bag. Just make sure you don't pull your strings and break them. Should all fold this direction. Alright, I got it all all folded up. I wonder if I could set it inside here. Kind of roll it up. Nah, I don't reckon that's gonna happen. Alright. The test is if I can get it back. I'm blocking the light from you guys. I'm not a camera man real good, so the only thing that's hard to roll is you got these little hard corners for it. Let's see if I can get it back into the original bag. Without having to get a hammer. I did. There it is. Chair 1. Now it's got molly webbing. Alright guys, that is the chair. Seems pretty decent. Super light. You know, it's not really that big. I don't know what the size compares it to, but it's pretty small. Pretty small, pretty light. Definitely be handy for hiking, camping. It's just, a chair is so much, makes it so much more difference. So we are going to do a camp probably next week. I got the tent. Guess I never probably doing unboxings. I'm not going to open it up in here. We'll kind of just go camp. We'll bring our chair, our tent. I got a ground cloth for it. You know, I got these cool little lanterns. Let's see if I can. These things have been hanging up here for, which is actually jammed in the corner. These things have been hanging up here. I got 2 of them, another one over there. We'll grab those guys. The tent has like a porch, like a fold outside. It's like a porch. We'll hang those up. You know, fry steak or something, and just do a little camping. Weather's getting cool, perfect for it. Today is super windy, so not. And thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and we'll do a review on it later on as we use it. And we'll have it outside on our camping. So, catch you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe.